Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Fine, sir.
right. We'll wait for a few minutes for others. As of now, only 8 members joined. So just two more minutes, 2-3 minutes. We'll wait and we'll start the session because I am not become host so far. We'll wait for a few minutes. So, anyone done any kind of practice? Uh, are you feeling very easy how to solve the pair of linear equations now? How many of people facing little bit kind of, sir, I'm feeling little tough. May I know anyone is there? Guys, please. I have to take a little bit
Sir,
special.
it is easy, sir.
It's easy. Both the methods. Now I am not yet started. Today I'm going to discuss with cross multiplication method. Once we done the cross multiplication method, we will go through the numerical solving of the numericals. Sanayu Kumar, why lagging little bit behind polynomials? May I know the reason? Any particular reason? Guys, any particular reason? It's your wish whether you want to share or not. Okay, but try to go parallel with my class because 3 days we are having the classes. It's only 60 minutes and remaining 4 days. Somehow, if you sit 30 minutes on each day is enough to complete what we done in that week. It doesn't matter. Got it, guys? What I'm saying. So try to be with me when we're doing the numericals. But again, in revision, we are going to do an extra numericals from different books or different resources. Yes. So before going to some numericals of two methods, we've done a lot of numericals on elimination method and substitution method. Will you agree with me, guys? Correct or not? Guys, some reply from you. Yes or no, something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So before going to some more numericals, we will learn the last method. What is the last method? Remaining method. There are 3 methods I told you. Sorry, 4 methods total. The first one is graphical method, which we already done. Hope everyone can able to see the screen. The second one is cross multiplication method. The third one is, sorry guys, I'm very sorry. The second one is elimination method. We already completed. Third one is substitution method. Fourth one is remaining. First 3 methods we completed. The fourth one is cross multiplication method. Before proceeding any method, what is the first step to check what kind of solution? What are the 3 possible solutions for a given pair of linear equation? Guys, anyone? What are the 3 possible solutions for a given pair of linear equations? Amrita or Harita, anyone?
Sir.
One
So
solution.
many solution, one solution, or no solution.
One solution, many solutions.
Sir, unique solutions, many solutions, and no solutions.
No solutions. What are the conditions for one solution? We doesn't bother about the constant ratio. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Many solutions, A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. No solution, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. After verifying these ratios only, you proceed to any method. Got it? Then it will be easy to identify whether it can be solved or not. Sometimes if you are getting many solution and no solution without solving, by seeing this ratio itself, you can able to give your answer. So even in cross multiplication method also, when we have to proceed for elimination method or cross multiplication method, suppose if I am giving two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Make the equations into this kind of standard form. This is the standard form we are following for cross multiplication method. It's kind of a method. It's a general procedure to solve this one. Sir, why we have to follow this method? The proof and the logic behind this method will come in 12th math of CBSE. Now we are not going to look into the proof. Why I have to follow this method? What is the logic behind this method? So in other boards you will get in 10th standard, but in our CBSE board it will come. This proof will come in 12th standard only. We will get one idea how I will get answers to solve the pair of linear equations in cross multiplication method. There is a concept called matrices in generally ICSE board and state board. The matrices is introduced in 9th and 10th. Unluckily, in CBSE board, the matrices they are introduced only in 12th standard. Till 11th, there is no concept of matrices. That's the reason this method you have to learn just like a process. Got it, guys? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So the first step, either elimination method or cross multiplication method or substitution method, check A1 by A2 ratio, B1 by B2 ratio. If both are not equal, then only you proceed for any method. Otherwise, no need to proceed any method. Take the C1 by C2 ratio. If the C1 by C2 is equal to these two ratios, then it is many solutions. If C1 by C2 is not equal to these two ratios equal, it is no solution case. So the first criteria to proceed any method is A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2, and this is called one solution or unique solution. Correct? So once we finalize it, whether it is one solution or unique solution, now we have to follow for the cross multiplication method. So write the given equations in the standard form. The standard form equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of given two equation. This is a pair of linear equation where I have to calculate for this unique solution. So whether it is having unique solution or not, I am checking in the beginning of the question itself. So now once you wrote the equations into the standard form, so bring the y coefficients here. Write like this: b1, b2. After that, write the constants c1, c2. The signs are important. Next is x coefficients a1, a2. Again, write the y coefficients b1, b2. Guys, are you clear what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So you arrange all the coefficients like this and draw the lines like this. Arrow marks is important. This arrow mark says which number you have to multiply to which with the other number. So how many combinations you can see? This is my first combination. The blue color is my second combination, second pair. The green color is third pair. What is the meaning of pair? I will show you here. So now straight away from calculation, I am going to get the x values and y values here. This is the beauty of this method. So x divided by cross multiplication of first pair. That means this is the first pair. Whatever the thing is marked with the red color box, this is my first pair. So how the arrow marks are marked here? B1 is marked with C2. So from left to right, it is positive. This is positive. This is negative. This is positive. This is negative. This is positive. This is negative. So here it will be B1 minus, B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equals, for Y value, the cross multiplication is, you are cross multiplying C1 with A2 minus C2 with A1 and 1 divided by the last one, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Understand, guys? Any confusions, or why I have to do? I already told clearly. This is only the procedure. Here we are learning. Why you have to do? You will get definitely an idea in +2 matrices concept. Guys, is it clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If I'm
sir.
taking this ratio and the constant ratio, my x by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. From here, after cross multiplying, x is equal to, x by 1 is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So it is very tough to remember this formula. That's the reason always we will follow the procedure. Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 will be equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. I'm taking the 1 and 3, I'm calculating for x, 2 and 3 calculation for y. A2 B1, that will be y is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is how we can able to solve the x and y values in cross multiplication method. This is only the procedure. No need to remember these formulas. It's not mandatory to remember these formulas. And if you are able to recollect these formulas straight away with a single line, you will get the answers. But I am not suggesting you to remember the formulas. I am suggesting you only to remember the procedure. So shall I proceed with one question, guys?
Yes, sir.
So I'm not solving the textbook questions. I'm solving the questions of, yes, sorry, textbook questions. The first one is x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the first step of the procedure, man? I'm asking you to solve x and y using cross multiplication method. What is the first step you have to do? What is a1 by a2? 1 by
3, sir.
b1 by b2?
1 by 3.
Minus 3 by minus 9, 1 by 3. C1 by C2?
3 by 2.
By minus 2.
3 by 2.
So here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and is not equal to C1 by C2. What is the type of solution you are getting here? No solution, correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
No
Yes,
solution.
sir.
Check how I know. Even though forcefully, if I got no solution, if I'm trying to apply cross multiplication method, what I will get, I will show here. What I'm trying to say, guys? Actually,
Yes.
no need to proceed. After showing these calculations, we can write a statement. The pair of linear equations has in the conclusion statement is the given pair of linear equations having no solution. This is the end of this question. But let's see, if I'm trying to apply the cross multiplication method, what will happen? Got it, guys? What I'm trying to say? So what is the first step? This we already done. So I'm writing the y coefficients minus 3, minus 9, constants minus 3, minus 2. A1 is, A1, A2 is 1, 3. Again, B1, B2 is minus 3, minus 9. So after that, I have to mark as arrow marks, for cross multiplications. For first set, I will get x. X divided by minus 3 into minus 2 minus 9 into minus 3. Y divided by minus 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1. 1 divided by 1 into minus 9 minus 3 into minus 3. So what kind of denominators you are getting under x, y and 1? X divided by how much you are getting? 6 minus 27, correct? Y divided by minus 9 minus 9 plus 2. 1 divided by minus 9 plus 9. So x by minus 21 is equal to 1 by 0. So here we are getting x is equal to minus 21 by 0, that is called infinity. Infinity means where is the x coordinate is having infinity? X is equal to infinity graphically is known as undefined. That's the reason even y also you are getting 1 by 0. That is called undefined. So this undefined in the sense it doesn't have any solution. That x and y values of this pair of linear equations are unable to define. Is it clear, guys? Mathematically, how I can say it is not possible? It is not required. This calculation is not required because we already prepared a formula for that. The ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Is it clear, guys? If you proceed to the question, what will happen? Guys, understood? Any confusion?
Understood, sir.
So shall I go for one more question?
Yes, sir.
So my second question is 2x plus y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So I am writing into a standard form 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 for cross multiplication method. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So it is having only one solution. Will you agree with me? Whatever the thing I'm doing, is it right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I want to apply the cross multiplication method, what I have to write? B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, again B1, B2. And this cross multiplication is for X. The second cross multiplication is for Y. The third cross multiplication is 1 by. So what is B1 here? 1, 2, C1, C2 is minus 5, minus 8, A1, A2 is 2, 3, and B1, B2 is again 1, 2. Now it is ready for cross multiplication. So what is x by divided by? Who is going to tell x divided by how much you are getting? Harita, can you try x divided by how much?
Yes, sir.
So for x value, you have to take this one, correct? For y value, this cross multiplication. For 1, this cross multiplication. So x divided by how much you are getting? 1 into minus 8 minus. So this cross multiplication is plus and this is minus. This minus remaining cross multiplication. So 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5. Correct? Understood, guys? How to take the cross multiplication here? Yeah. Anyone can give y? For y, how it will come?
Minus 5 into 3
Minus 5 into 3
minus of minus 8.
minus 8 into 2. Correct?
Yes.
Sir, x divided by plus 2.
2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Correct? 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
So what?
Yes, sir.
So x divided by minus 8 minus 10 will be equal to y divided by minus 15 minus of minus 16 is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 3. So what I'm getting the proper ratios here, x by minus 18 is equals y by plus 1 now. So this is minus 8 plus
Sir,
10.
it will be minus 8 plus 10.
Minus 8 plus 10. Sorry. Minus 8 plus 10. That will be equal to plus 2. This will be equal to minus 15 plus 16. So this is plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1. So from here, x by 2 is equal to 1. Y by 1 is equal to 1. So from here, x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1. So the solution is 2 comma 1. Guys, is it clear how I got the solution?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I can
sir.
give one more question. Can you solve by, this is actually easiest method. Generally, I will prefer this method if the numbers are small. Here, no substitutions, no confusions, no calculation x separately, y separately. Straight away, one process will use the x and y values. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go for the next one more question, guys?
Yes, sir.
The next question is third question I am doing. 3x minus 5y is equal to 20. Six x minus 10y is equal to 40. Solve for x and y using cross multiplication method. Guys, can you try? By seeing the question without calculation, anyone can give the answer? What is A1 by A2 here?
Sir, it has infinitely many solutions.
Infinitely many solution, because what is A1 by A2 here? 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. What is B1 by B2? Minus 5 by minus 10, that is also 1 by 2. What is C1 by C2?
1 by 2.
Minus 20 by minus 40, that is 1 by 2. So here A1 by A2 is equals B1 by B2 is equals C1 by C2. So my conclusions is the given pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. Graphically, it represents same line. A line is overlapping on another line. Both the equations represent same line. Got it, guys? Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next question is x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Please let me know. Solve for x and y using cross multiplication method. Yes, proceed, please. First of all, find out what kind of solution it is having. What is A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 here? Please calculate and let me know what is the A1 by A2 and B1 by B2.
So A1 by A2 is 1 by 3 and
Yes.
B1 by B2 is 1 by 1.
So A1 by A2 is
So unique solution.
1 by 3, B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 3, this is plus 1. So from here, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So unique solution. So if it is unique solution, you can proceed for your procedure, correct? So what are the things I have to write? -3, -3, -7, because the given equations in the standard form for the cross multiplication. 1, 3, -3, -3. So cross multiply. The red color will be for x under, the black color will be for y divided by the blue color will be for 1. Cross multiply and find out what are the ratios you are getting first. I need the ratios. X by what ratio, what value, y by what value, 1 by what value you are getting. Be careful, like a little bit conscious when you are doing the cross multiplication, because so many signs you are getting here. -3 into -15, minus of -3 into -7, like that. So I'm getting here x divided by -3 into -15 is 45, -3 into -7 is +21. Y divided by -7 into -3 is -21, -15 into 1 is -15, that is +15. 1 divided by -3 +9. So from here, x by 24, y by -6, 1 by 6. Everyone got the same kind of ratio?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if you get many solutions, then no need to calculate, sir.
Now, if you get many solution or infinitely many solution or no solution, no need to do this one. You just wind up. So how I done the previous question? What I done here?
Sir, we took A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2, sir. All of them are equal, so it has many solutions, sir.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
I got A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2.
So what,
No,
sir?
so if I got a situation A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2.
So then no solution, sir.
So the given pair of linear equation doesn't have any solution. So no need to solve. No need to apply any method.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what is the x value here from this? To calculate x value, take the x ratio and constant ratio, that is x is equals 4. Correct? Y by -6 is equal to 1 by 6. So the y is equal to -1. So the solution of x is equal to 4, y is equal to -1 is the solution for given pair of linear equations. That's it. So shall I go for one more method? One more question?
Yes,
Guys?
sir.
Find the solution of x and y where x minus y is equal to a plus b, where a comma b are constants. Ax plus by is equal to a square minus b square. Solve for x comma y using cross multiplication method. I'm giving 5 minutes time to solve this one. Cross multiplication method. How to do this question? Please, same method. First, you have to check whether what kind of solution it is having. What is A1 by A2 here? Harita?
So 1 by
B1 by B2?
1 by B.
1 by B
Sorry,
or minus
minus
1?
1 by minus 1 by B.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then it is having
One solution case.
one solution, then it is ready for any
Differentiation.
method. So please Yes, 4 more minutes. I will call you back after 4 minutes. Please try. Be careful. Same method. Instead of numbers, you are having A comma B. That's it. Sorry guys, it was disconnected. Sanyu, can you make me as the host? Sanyu Kumar, you there? Can you change the host for me? Hello. Sir, will you able to hear Pooja, Vaishnavi? Guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sanyu Kumar, can you able to change the host?
Sir, he's asking how should
Sorry?
Sir, I guess he does not know. He's asking how.
No, he want to go and my name, I think more will come. There you can change the host option will come. If you keep on my name, you can get mute and more. There you can change the options. Even I can't change this, share the screen also. At least if they is giving the, yes, super. Thank you. Yeah, sorry guys, the network was disconnected. Anyone got the answer for that question? Anyone got the answer
Sir,
for this?
C1 by C2 is a bit coming.
Sorry?
Sir, I'm not getting C1 by C2.
Yeah, right. We'll wait. Yes, any others got the answer? Anything? Guys, anyone having any answer for this?
Sir, what will be C1 by C2, sir?
C1 by C2. What C1 by C2, guys?
Sir, I mean, what will be C1 and C2, sir?
Yeah, C1, C1 is minus of A plus B, C2 is minus of A square minus B square.
Okay, sir.
Oh, you forget about instead of numbers, they give A comma B. That's it. Look into this question. See, you should not worry too much. What is numbers? Without numbers also you are ready to do. That is the importance of learning. So the standard form of the first equation is x minus y. Guys, you will able to see the screen. Hope your
Yes,
0 is my first equation, and ax plus by minus of a square minus b square is equal to 0. My second equation equal to 1 by a. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by b. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So unique solution. So till here everyone got. Am I right?
Yes,
Correct or
sir.
not? Now compare your equations. So a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus of a plus b. a2 is equal to a, b2 is equal to b, c2 is equal to minus of a square minus b square. Now will you ready to do the cross multiplication method? You able to do the cross multiplication method now? Minus 1 b minus of a plus b minus of a square minus b square 1 a minus 1 minus plus b. Guys, will you agree with me? What are the thing I am doing? Are you understanding? Are you clear? Guys, this is clear. Now, what is x divided by? What is x divided by?
So B into minus of A plus B minus of A square minus B square into
Minus 1 into minus is plus 1 into a square minus b square minus b into minus of a plus b. Correct? Y divided by minus a plus b into a minus 1 into minus of a square minus b square. 1 divided by b minus of minus a. Correct or not? Any confusion, guys? X divided by a square minus b square minus of minus is plus ab plus b square is equal to y divided by minus a square minus ab minus into minus plus a square minus b square will be equal to 1 by b minus of minus a is b plus a. So here my b square and b square is cancelled. Here my a square and a square is cancelled. So x divided by, I got a square plus ab. Y divided by, I got minus b square minus ab. 1 divided by a plus b. So now I am solving for x comma y. So for solving x comma y, I have to consider this ratio and this ratio. So x by a square plus b, ab is equal to 1 by a plus b. From here, x is equal to a square plus ab by a plus b. In the numerator, if I am taking a common, a of a plus b divided by a plus b, a plus b cancel, x is equal to a. Guys, are you clear how I got x value here?
Yes, sir.
Now if I am taking y ratio, y divided by minus b square minus ab will be equal to 1 by a plus b. From here, y is equal to minus b square minus ab divided by a plus b. If I am taking minus b common in the numerator, I will get minus b of a plus b divided by a plus b. Anyone having any doubt how I took the common, how I got the numerator is? So the y is equal to minus b. So the solution set of x is equal to a, y is equal to minus b is the solution of given pair of linear equations. Guys, are you got? Only the thing is your calculation should be strong. You have to be strong in your simplification. You have to be strong in simplification. Even though if they are not giving numbers, you should not confuse yourself. That is the main agenda of this method. Simply numbers, always numbers. We can't expect always numbers in our upcoming topics. Many places we are going to deal with variables. Is it clear, guys? Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
So one more question like this I can give. One more question like this I can give with variables instead of numbers. Can you try? Solve for x and y for the following pair of linear equations. The pair is 2bx plus ay minus 2ab is equal to 0. Bx minus ay minus 4ab is equal to 0. Solve it. I'm going to give some 5 minutes time again. Please solve this question and let me know what is the answer for x and y. Are you clear with the equations now? No confusion with the equations? Is there any confusion with the equations?
No, sir.
What is a1? Sir, what is a1 here?
Sir, A1 is 2B, sir.
B1?
So B1 is B.
Look into the question. B1.
So sorry, sir. B1 is minus A, sir.
Plus A. How minus A, man?
So sorry, sir. I thought B2, sir.
Yeah.
Plus
And
A, sir.
C1 is?
So C1 is minus 2AB.
Yeah. So A2 is B.
Yes, sir. A2 is B.
B2 is minus A.
Minus A.
C2 is minus 4A.
Minus 4AB.
So calculate A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and find out what kind of solution you will get from these equations.
Yes, sir.
What is A1 by A2 value? A1 by A2 is equals 2B by B. So that will be equal to 2. B1 by B2 is equals A by minus A, that is equal to minus 1. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So what kind of solution it is? Unique solution, correct? Everyone got this step or any different way you got? Guys, able to hear? Aditi, Akshita, anyone? Amruta, please respond. Arman?
The same, sir. Same, sir.
Yeah, now you have to write. First I am writing for x. A minus A minus 2AB minus 4AB 2B B. Careful while you are writing the variables if those are not numbers. 2B and B, and last is A minus A. You are starting with y coefficients, constants, x coefficients and y coefficients. That is a thing. Now cross multiplication. So if you mark like this, it will be easy. You can avoid the mistakes. That's the reason we are marking. You know which direction you are multiplying. X divided by, anyone can say what is the x divided by you will get?
So
Minus-
A into minus 4AB.
So 4a square b I can write.
Yes, sir. Minus 4AB.
Minus into minus is plus, plus into this will be 2a square b. Now y divided by what I will get? Minus 2ab square minus this into this is minus, minus of minus is plus again. So 4ab square. 1 divided by 2b into minus a, that is minus 2ab minus a into minus of a into b is minus ab. So x divided by minus 4a square b minus, so minus 6a square b y divided by 2ab square 1 divided by minus 3ab. So now it is ready to solve for x and y. X divided by minus 6a square b is equal to 1 divided by minus 3ab. From here x is equal to minus 6a square b divided by minus 3ab. 1b cancel, 1a cancel, 2 times, minus minus cancel. The answer is 2a. So x is equal to 2a. Y divided by 2ab square is equal to 1 by minus 3ab, which will be equal to y is equal to 2ab square divided by minus 3ab. A cancel, 1b cancels, so answer is minus 2 by 3b. How many of people got the same answer? Or if it is different, anyone can guide me where we done the mistake, like I done the mistake. Is
Sir,
everyone got the
I
same answer
got
or any?
y value as minus 2b, sir.
Sir, even I got y value as minus 2b.
Sorry, it's a disconnected. Got the answer, guys? Sanyu, Aditi, Akshita?
Sir, I
Can you?
got x value as 2a and y value as minus 2b, sir.
Sir,
Then
even I
let me
got
know
y is equal to minus 2b, sir.
where we done the mistake. What is the y ratio you got?
Sir,
Sir,
I
plus
got
6ab square.
6ab square. Then I done the mistake. Minus 6ab square or plus 6ab square? Got
plus,
it.
sir.
Sanyu, can you change the host for me? This is 2ab square plus 8ab square, that is 6ab square plus 6ab square, correct? Yeah. Yeah. See here 6ab square. So this part I am going to remove. This is 6ab square. So 1a cancel, b cancel, 3 minus 2 times. So the answer is minus 2b. So is the answer is 2a comma minus 2b. Am I right? That's the final answer. Correct? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, I think a lot of network issues. I'm keep on disconnecting. This is the end of cross multiplication method. Our next method is, just I will give the introduction for the next, not next method, next type of numericals. We are end of the methods. Next one is equations reducible to pair of linear equations. The given data is not in a straight form. Equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Equation is reducible to pair of linear equations. So the questions is like this. It is not looking straight away like a pair of linear equation. Suppose if the questions are like this, 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. How to solve x and y here? The equations are not linear equations. Anyone can say these are the linear equation. Is this linear equation? What is the power of this equation? The power is minus 1. If the power of the equation is minus 1, it's not a linear equation. It is having some other index. Linear equation definition is the highest power of the equation should be plus 1. So if the equations are coming, our motto is we have to reduce it to pair of linear equations. So we are changing the given data in the form of pair of linear equations. After that only we are going to solve. So this method we will see in the next class. After that we are having some practical approach using the pair of linear equations, practical applications. So these are the two things remaining. Mostly within these 2 sessions we are going to end of this topic. So shall I close the session, guys? Guys, shall I close the session? Are you clear with the cross multiplication method and how to?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll meet in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.